But it's kind of a look, isn't that? It's kind of a look.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beat? Too early, maybe later you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
Y'all, I hate bad videos. I'm gonna say that. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. So, Chico, what you eating? Yo, he be so over me. I'm gonna wash my hair real quick, and because as y'all could tell, it's looking crazy. It's looking crazy, and sis isn't for it. And I can't go to Orlando to see my best friend I haven't seen in like forever looking like this. So what we're gonna do is instead we're gonna try to do braids for the first time, and y'all gonna watch me do it. If it goes right, then it's a tutorial while I'm at it, because why not? So I'm gonna see y'all after I wash my hair, and yeah. Okay, so I washed my hair. I'm here with Imani. She's just expecting me to feel like we all are.
I'm not expecting you to fail. It's just
take
gonna
all
be a
day.
process.
Yeah, to take all day, because y'all know I'm expecting this to take like 3 hours most, but we all know my pace. It's slow. So I'm gonna blow dry, not blow dry, like, you know, make it dry so it could be easier to part. And oh my gosh, you could kind of see the light brown, because I tried to dye it last week and I was in a rush, so it didn't really, you see it? Right? But I'll be back after I blow dry. So I blow dried all my hair with this brush. It's like a bristled blow drying. I heard it's bad for your hair, but yo, I was just trying to finish quick. I finished in like 10ish minutes. It's not like fully dry, but it'll be more easier to manage. I just seen the girl do it like that. Yeah, I sectioned it. I didn't section it. I just blow dried it. I'm gonna get my mom to section it now with this comb. I don't know how she's gonna hold the sections. I'm still figuring that part out. I'll be back to show y'all the sections and then how it goes with the whole braiding. Monty had to leave me to go to work. Okay, so I came back real quick to show y'all the products. I have not showed y'all the products that I got. I got this color because it's like kind of the color y'all seen that I have right now. This is supposedly the same color, 613. It says 613, and then this one says color 613 too, but for some reason, I think because it's different brands, they have, yeah, it's different. I'm just gonna say it's different brands. So it's different colors of hair, 48 inches. This is 26 inches. You might notice that it said this difference of, that's, oh shoot. Why this one look longer though? Anyways, it's already pre-stretched. My friend says that they're already pre-stretched. I don't know what that means, but I guess it needs to be pre-stretched. I got these two colors because I feel like this is more like of a warm color, and this is like a really like harsh color. So I'm gonna mix them both together, and I feel like it's gonna come out really cute. Got this like edge control. It's called Shine and Jam. We'll see how it works. I've never tried it. I usually use like normal oily ones, but sometimes those don't keep your hair as I want it to. Got these little accessories to maybe put in my hair. I got this one because it just has my letter K in it. Y'all already know my name. The crocheting tool that we're gonna need most likely, and I got this bonnet. It's an extra big one because the one I have isn't that big, so excited to see how this one works out. Also got this edge scarf. It's super cute, inspired by my friend Lila. I'm sorry I'm speaking so fast, but it's just that I want to like finish my hair. And I also got this lip glosses because these are the bomb from your local beauty supply store. That's where I went. I spent like, Mommy was guessing like 65 at first, and we saw it added up to 47. That's the pricing for everything. But yeah, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna separate everything, try to blend the hair in together and see how that goes, and brush everything out. I'm gonna find me a brush. I'm gonna use like this kind of whitish tooth brush. We're gonna go brush this hair in together in little strands. I'm gonna keep them separated. Shout out to my manager from LA Fitness, because she definitely was the one who told me, that she did it like that and that it came out looking cute. Like I want it tighter though than what she had it, because she has a more tender head. So I started the first bottom half, and I'm gonna show you how it came out. Not all that, you know, part of it, but I'm a beginner. I'm gonna give me that at least. I'm not gonna get discouraged because it's the bottom. I don't know what y'all could say. Looks put together at least. I'm gonna curl the bottom end, so that's gonna give me a lot more oomph to the look. But let's see how I can. Right guys, a little update. So this isn't done yet. It's currently 9:37, and we started around, I'm gonna say around 5:30, because that's when Monty left. My mother was helping me out when she came back from church where she was at, because I did the bottom ones. You could tell the ones I did, bro. You could just tell. And then these are the ones she did. Wait, no, that was the one I did. Hold on. Wait, yeah, that was definitely the one I did. So yeah, these are the ones she did. Like she finessed something I can't do. My mom just braided them so they wouldn't like, so it could be easier for Imani. She was planning on like me doing it or something. I was like, no sis, I'll be back with Imani most likely and we're gonna finish. So sis is here with Imani. What's up, Imani? She ended up just doing box braids because that's what she was most familiarized with, and yeah, but this was the final look. It was very much simple, my first time, you know, cheap, easy. We ended up curling the bottoms, great, now the AC's on, but ignore that. But we ended up curling the bottoms with the stove, like boiling the water and then sticking with curling rods. And yeah, but hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys soon in my next video, which is most likely gonna be a vlog from Orlando, so stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't. Much love and